Hi guys, welcome to another video from me. Today I have a watch tool review video for you. This is my newest watch tool I have received today. This is a watch Caseback opener tool. It is from AliExpress. I have this one pay for 120 euros, and this is a clone of the very Caseback opener tool, which is very expensive, and this is an affordable alternative, and I will show you this tool, how it works. Yeah, this tool comes with very more this is the set for oyster style casebacks. It's a set of 6 bits and an adapter which can hear. Which you can hear, but I will show you later this. The tool is very robust. It's 2000 grams is the weight, sorry. It comes with parts of these bits for many styles of watch cases, and these bits are luck bits. This tool you can use in 2 options. This have 2 sides. This one is 9mm and 11mm luck width, and we have also 17 and 19mm, 15, 13 and 20, 22, which is the most used tools. I will show you how it works, and then I will give you a recommendation if you buy it or not buy. On these tools I will demonstrate this, which this case, which has an oyster steel caseback. Sorry for my English, guys. I know my English is not perfect, but I hope you understand me. Now, I use the 20 luck bits, which has these. Then you can screw. I use also glove, and then you can set the watch case and tighten these screws. Now it came this adapter. I screw these screw, then comes higher, which is fixed this adapter. Then I select a bit which fit to the Caseback in these. This is the 29.5, I believe. Yes, this is right tool. Put it to the adapter, and now I can lift it under. Then the screw. So slightly open. It's opened all tight, too tight. Casebacks, properly. The caseback is open. Let's screw the caseback. This tool is very useful for tighten the casebacks, very tighten for water resistant of the case. It's very important. I have used formerly this ball, but it is good, but some of the watches I have, there was very tighten, and then this tool the right option. Now I tighten the screws here, and then so that was first option which you can use these tools. And now I show you the second option. With these tools you can open all watch case bags, all watch case bags, watch case styles. The quality of this product is, for the money which I paid for this, is acceptable. This is the body is from metal. It's not the best finish, but for this money, and the bottom is massive steel. But this is a little bit too tight. I must use for this release my plastic hammer. I must here a little bit with sanding paper, and then fits better. And now comes to the option 2. This part is for use with these pins. There are here for tighten the width of the case back, and when you finish, fix it with these screws that can open it. and this tool came here. This fits better as the other adapter. It's fit good, and then tighten the screw. With these you can lift the height of this tool higher, and then you can use, for example, these. It comes here, which has these notches in the case back. Then I have tested these pins are fits good here in the notches. Put the bits, one left and one right. And then also I use the 20 luck, which is fitted here. That was the 22, that's too large. Important to protect the surface of the watch. A little microfiber cloth, microfiber. Now the case is fixed, and I can use with these screws the width of the case back, have the right size, the screws, and now loose the case, and the case is open. It's very practical to use. Now tighten. And we have a perfect close case back. Another option which you can use for larger cases, watch cases, is, which comes with the tool, which you can here put to left and the right, and then you can fix many size of large watch cases, and then same procedure, but I don't use these. I use these options with these plastic bits. The plastic bits are very stable. It's hard plastic, and it seems very good quality. For 120 euros, which I bought this, I'm very happy with this tool, and it helps me very my work with these two. This part is very good, very well made. It seems from steel. It seems this like this is cast iron, and it's a good quality for this money. You have also an option. You can this part screw with screws which is included. Example for in a workbench, and then you can fix it with 4 screws. The bottom of the watch has 3 bolts which has hold this body. Now if you are interested on this tool, I give a link in the description where you can buy this tool. And that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you on next video. Bye.